I'm so glad I could bring this Mindshift program here, and the Mindshift program is about you taking a new vantage point, about having a mindset to constantly evolve. After you're stagnated in that position for quite a while, it's time to move on to a new vantage point so that you can have your exponential growth.
Having to succeed in this line is not really an individual effort, but rather align yourself with people around you that can lift you up and achieve new heights.
This event is actually very unique, I would say, and you will not experience outside. Failure shouldn't be painful, and failure should be your life experience.
When you meditate, this part which is involved in rationality, judgment, making good decisions, that part of the brain actually grows more. So any meditation helps, whether spiritual or non-spiritual.
To acknowledge every human being. Okay, you never know where opportunities might come from.
You see the top one? Very, very confident, friendly, no doubt. And this is what they're trying to teach you. When you approach your prospect, be friendly.
If you know what you stand for, you will show up in life. When you show up in life, you will step up to whatever adventures and challenges is calling you. And last but not least, may you flourish. And most importantly, may you prosper in this brand new world.